ब्रह्म निरूपण धर्म विधि बरनहि तत्व विभाग राम बरन तत्व विभाग कहि भक्ति भगवंत के संजुत ज्ञान विराग तुलसी संजुत ज्ञान विराग। एहि प्रकार भरि माघ नहाई पुनि सब निज निज आश्रम जाहि प्रति संबत अति होई आनंदा मकर मज्जि गव नहीं मुनि वृंदा। राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम। एक बार भरी मकर नहाए सब मुनीस आश्रमन सिधाए जाग बलिक मुनि परम विवेकी भरद्वाज राखे पद टेकी सादर चरण सरोज पखारे अति पुनीत आसन बैठारे करि पूजा मुनि सुजसु बखानी बोले अति पुनीत मृदु बानी। नाथ एक संसौ बड़ मोरे करगत वेद तत्व सबु तोरे कहत सो मोहि लागत भय लाजा जो न कहु बड़ होई अकाजा। राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम। संत कहियसि नीति प्रभु श्रुति पुराण मुनि गाव राम श्रुति पुराण मुनि गाव होई न बिमल विवेक उर गुर सन किए दुराव तुलसी गुर सन किए दुराव। अस विचारी प्रगटऊ निज मोहु हरऊ नाथ करि जन पर छोहु राम नाम कर अमित प्रभावा संत पुराण उपनिषद गावा। राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम। संतत जपत शंभु अभिनाशी शिव भगवान ज्ञान गुण राशि आकर चारि जीव जग अहि काशी मरत परम पद लहहि सोपी राम महिमा मुनिराया शिव उपदेशु करत करिदाया राम कवन प्रभु पूछहु तोहि कहिय भुजाई कृपा निधि मोहि एक राम अवधेश कुमारा तिन्ह कर चरित विदित संसारा नारी बिरह दुख लहेउ अपारा भयउ रोषुरन रावणु मारा राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
So, the sage is asking the other sage that please explain to me, please explain to me, how is this one Ram, who is the creator of the entire universe, everything, you see, how is that one Ram, or is this one Ram who got into so much grief that his wife was taken by Ravan, that in anger he killed Ravan? So basically he's just finding a way for the sage to tell him, Yajnavalkya, no? There's a Bhardwaj in Yajnavalkya. So he's just finding reasons for Yajnavalkya to open up and share the Ram Katha with him. But it's very beautiful because this doubt can be there for all of us. That how is it that the creator of the entire Shrishti, the entire nature, all of time and space, how is it that that one then had this happened to him in the first place, and then when it happened to him he got into so much grief and sorrow? That doesn't sound like the creator of the universe. So please enlighten me. He's begging the sage which he reveres. So very beautiful part of the katha. That's why I feel like somehow if we can find a way to read it before, then we have a deeper sense of the words. Otherwise we're just doing it mechanically, which also is very helpful, but the joy, the taste of it is so much more, and the way Tulsidas Ji has put it in such a beautiful poetic way, the whole thing is very stunning. But if you know what's happening, then that's even better. So let's find a way. Maybe we can spend 15 minutes next time onward just reading through what we're going to go through, because I know as homework we are not going to do it. So we can try and do. Okay, we'll see. Let's see.
प्रभु सोई राम कियो प्रभु सोई राम किया पर जाहि जपत त्रिपुरारी रामा जाहि जपत त्रिपुरारी सत्य धाम सर्वज्ञ तुम कहु विवेकु विचारी तुलसी कहु विवेकु विचारी। जैसे मिटई मोर भ्रम भारी कहु सो कथा नाथ विस्तारी। जाग बालिक बोले मुस्काई तुम्हि विदित रघुपति प्रभुताई। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम भगत तुम मन क्रम बानी चतुराई तुम्हारी मैं जानी। चाहु सुने राम गुण गूढ़ा कीन्हु प्रश्न मनहु अति मूढ़ा। तात सुनहु सादर मनुलाई कहु राम के कथा सुहाई। महामोह महिषे सुविशाला राम कथा कालिका कराला। राम कथा शशि किरण समाना संत चकोर करहि जेहि पाना। ऐसे ही संशय कीन्ह भवानी महादेव तब कहा बखानी। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
So, sorry, I keep breaking the flow, but it's so beautiful that the sage Yajnavalkya started the Ram Katha for sage Bhardwaj, and so much humility in that whole conversation between the two sages. So, first sage is requesting him, saying, "Please enlighten me, I'm a fool, please help me understand how this is." And then the other sage is very sweetly, like a father telling his son, that I know your tricks. You're just tricking me because you're such a great Ram Bhakt. You already know everything, but you just want to hear the praises of Lord Ram. So you're tricking me into sharing the katha with you. But I will, because of your bhakti for Ram, I will share the whole katha, because he requested Bistaru. When I said Bistar, say, like, give me the long version of the story. So now the Ram Katha, the story of Sri Ram's life, is going to start, but it is starting with Lord Shiva sharing the story with Parvati, with Sati actually, and it's so beautiful that it's so meta, no? That in the katha is starting with the katha being shared. So many of these modern ways to share the plots of keeping it like meta and all of that was already there in 16th century when Tulsidaji was writing. So I just enjoy these points so much I couldn't help sharing all this with you.
कहौ सुमति अनुहारी अब उमा शंभु संवाद राम उमा शंभु संवाद भयउ समय जेहि हेतु जेहि सुनु मुनि मिटिहि विषाद तुलसी सुनु मुनि मिटिहि विषाद एक बार त्रेता जुग माही शंभु गए कुंभज ऋषि पाही संग सती जग जननी भवानी पूज्य ऋषि अखिलेश्वर जानी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम कथा मुनि बर्ज बखानी सुनी महेश परम सुखमानी ऋषि पूछी हरि भगति सुहाई कही शंभु अधिकारी पाई कहत सुनत रघुपति गुण गाथा कछु दिन तहा रहे गिरिनाथा मुनि सन विदा मागी त्रिपुरारी चले भवन सग दक्ष कुमारी तेहि अवसर भंजन मही भारा हरि रघुवंश लीन्ह अवतारा पिता बचन तजि राजु उदासी दंडक बन बिचरत अविनाशी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम
So he says that this question which so story. So he says that Sri Yajnavalkya ji tells Shri Bharadwaj that even somebody of the stature of Mother Parvati had the same question, which how could Lord Ram be infinite at the same time as also be so human in his conduct, in his thing. So he says, okay,
It's not Shivji actually sharing the katha with Parvati. It's Yajnavalkya ji sharing.
yeah. So Yajnavalkya is telling Bharadwaj that this same question which you have asked me.
Something very interesting.
Yeah. So then you what was it? So then he said, I'm just reading to him. He says, I shall repeat the. So Yajnavalkya is now going to repeat what Lord Shiva told Sati. He's saying that now the story from what he knows of what
happened
with them. And in the Treta Yuga, Lord Shiva called on sage Agastya, and goddess Sati accompanied him, and the sage worshipped him, knowing him, Lord Shiva, to be the universal Lord. And the great sage narrated the length of the story of Sri Rama, and Lord Mahesha listened. Then the sage inquired about devotion to Sri Hari, and Shiva discoursed on it, finding the sage a fit recipient. So now he's asking him, now you explain to me about devotion to Lord Hari. After he told, it's over. And then Lord Shiva asks, then Agastya says, now you explain to me this how to have devotion. And then he says, okay, I'll tell you because you are fit to understand. And then he spends 3 days, and then Lord Shiva proceeds to Mount Kailash. And then over here he says that he keeps asking himself, now the katha is over, the story is over, everything's over, and now Shiva is asking, how can I go and get a sight of him?
Heard the katha is shared about it.
Yeah.
So now you got the sense to meet Ram.
Yeah.
And you want to meet him. So katha is over now.
Yeah. That means everything is already
Meet
on.
him, you're just leaving the palace and going to the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So during the way that,
This is
Yeah.
the whole
yeah.
time.
He says, how can I obtain the sight of him? The Lord has embodied himself forth secretly, and if I visit him, everyone will know who he is. But like you
That is
point.
the time where he's leaving the palace.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
after hearing the Ram Katha, he wanted to meet Ram. But Ram is in the process of leaving the palace. But the Ram Katha was fully heard.
Yeah.
They were not only heard till that point.
Yeah.